Think sleep, think Inofia. Are you worrying that there is no bed for unexpected guests? Inofia Rollaway Folding Bed can solve your troubles. With this roll-away bed, you quickly and easily create space for overnight guests. No extra room is needed. Just pull out the bed base and you get a guest bed in no time. Inofia Folding Mattress can also be used as a daily bed, which saves much space for you. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. Try our guest beds. They fold up for easy storage when your guests go home. This bed is a worthwhile choice for smaller homes without a guest room or whenever you need an easy solution for temporary sleeping. It offers superior comfort for a good night's rest and ample support without aggravating pressure points. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 5 inches memory foam mattress for superior comfort. Composed of 1.5 inches memory foam over 3.5 inches high-density support foam base. The 5 inches folding bed with memory foam mattress conforms to your body curve and releases the pressure points. It is comfortable to sleep on. Neither too soft nor too hard, just right with enough support. Besides, the zipper cover is removable and washable. Number 2. Space-saving and extra bed for guests. Inofia Folding Guest Bed overcomes the shortcoming of traditional bed mattress, which is large and difficult to store. When this rollaway guest bed folds up, the frame along with the 5 inches memory foam mattress only takes up a small room of 44 by 31 by 13.5 inches, an ideal extra bed for visitors. Just take it out and assemble it easily whenever in need. Number 3. Easy setup and mobility. To assemble this roll-away folding bed is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Following the instruction, you can achieve a sense of accomplishment in 5 minutes without any extra tools. The wheel attached makes the bed super convenient to move anywhere you want. Your guests can enjoy a good night's sleep right away. Tips: at the first time assembly, please allow up to 72 hours for the mattress to fully expand. Number 4. Durable for lasting performance. The portable metal frame on wheels is made of strong metal and coated with eco-friendly painting, which makes it anti-rust for long-term use. The wheels are of high quality, very durable, and flexible to move around. Number 5. 5-year warranty. Inofia stands behind the quality of this portable folding bed and offers a 5-year limited warranty to get you assured. Number 6. Inofia Folding Bed Base. With welded steel construction, Inofia Rollaway Folding Bed Base is stronger than most bed frames. The tubular metal supports create a quiet, still foundation for your bed. Number 7. Heavy-duty construction. Inofia has designed a more durable and sturdy bed frame. We reinforce the surface of the frame to provide greater support and stabilize the frame enough to support a weight of approximately 280 pounds. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.